Do you know about the living's innate nature? It's curiosity. Humans and aliens alike are like that, especially alien V4 entry, an anthropomorphic alien with a strong desire for knowledge and the human mind.
Hi, narinig mo ba ako?
Uy! Hindi ka naman yung naririnig.
Baka hindi siya marunong mag-Tagalog.
Wait, hey, are you alright?
Fine, I'm okay,
Bicol University has been a torchbearer of wisdom, guiding generation towards academic excellence and holistic development. As we step into the grounds of Bicol University, we are greeted by the torch of wisdom. It embodies the core values that Bicol University holds dear. The campus is also adorned with state-of-the-art facilities that echo the commitment to holistic development. In addition, we have the Bicol University College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, dedicated to academic excellence and research in the social sciences.
Are you a new student here in Bicol University?
Yeah, your face is not familiar. I'm Grace, by the way, and this is...
Fiona, what's your name?
Before entry,
Before entry?
I mean Vanessa or Vane. I'm a new student here at Bicol University, taking the course Bachelor of Science in Psychology.
Oh, Tataki! We're from the same course!
Ikaw ata yung bagong transfer sa block namin eh. Nice coincidence.
But why did you choose Bicol University?
Just randomly.
Randomly? That's weird. Ako kasi personally, pinili ko ang Bicol University kasi it's the best university in the province na. And alam mo ba, they also envision a university wherein every student is capable of being a good leader while also having a good character. So, for us to serve the public.
Also, BU is free. We can have free access to anything. High quality education, accessible facilities, and anything you can ask for. Even the professors and instructors are teaching us their expertise without holding back. Really admire them.
Right, I was just joking. It's because it's the only university that's got the whole package.
Hey, malalate na tayo ah. And sino naman yung kinakausap niyo? Binubudol niya na.
Hoy, di ko siya binubudol, no? Like O to the M to the T. She's the official addition to our block.
Hi, I'm before entry. I'm Vanessa.
I'm Kaye.
Oh, I'm Raymond here by the way. So, come on.
Wow, that psychology subject was mind-boggling. It might take me a very long time to understand the human mind.
Hey, Vanek.
Delve into the fascinating world of human behavior and mental processes with BU's BS Psychology program, a testament to the university's commitment to academic excellence and the pursuit of knowledge. The program's inception in 2018 marked a significant milestone in Bicol University's history, paving the way for aspiring psychologists to gain a comprehensive understanding of the human psyche. The BS Psychology program has flourished, attracting students with a passion for unveiling complexities of human behavior.
Hey, is she high?
Grabe ka naman. Sorry, I'm just thinking how this course is very interesting. Is this also the reason why you guys chose psychology?
There are various reasons why people enter this program. Yung iba, gusto nila ng societal change, pero yung iba, naghahanap ng personal growth. Ang mas important dito is people seek psychology because they want to help the people they love.
Personally, I'm drawn to this program because the human mind fascinates me. I want to understand the way we think, feel, and behave the way we live. I also see psychology as a key to making a human-centered difference in the world.
Naman, alam ko na dati na psychology is a blue field, but I'm excited to explore all its different aspects like how our mental disorders are treated and how are they classified.
But why do I feel they're smart enough?
If someone I care about is sad, anxious, or even depressed, being a psychologist tutor enables me to alleviate those negative emotions. I need to become the, let's say, the strong shoulder to lean on, or someone they can talk to if they are tired.
Wouldn't that be exhausting?
But that's life, isn't it? You do the craziest things for the people you care for. You just don't share the pleasures in life, but also the life burdens, struggles, and heartbreaks.
Uy, what's that all about? Ano bang pinag-chismis sa inyo?
Ano lang kung bakit psychology program ang pinili namin.
Alam mo ba, this program can also offer you many job opportunities, whether in clinical, educational, HR, ICT, and even in military. At kung sinasabi ka pa nga, you can earn big profit. Basta, it's all about practicality.
Yes, I agree. Kaya naman meron tayong general education subjects here sa BU. For example, we are studying IT era because it can equip us with digital literacy skills and even e-commerce knowledge that is beneficial for us in this modern world. Huh? Modern?
Anyways guys, kidding aside, the year just started, let's have some fun and let's do it. Come on.
We can go!
Even though Vanessa's journey to Earth was unorthodox, she is aware that the difficulty she had as a psychology student ultimately paid off. She now assists others in discovering the mysteries of the human mind, opening doors to a better future for everybody.